Welcome aboard this winter journey inside Norway. These flights are part of my business trips across this beautiful country. I travel often to Bergen, Stavanger, and Sandefjord. Norwegian winter skies look magical from up here. Mountains, fjords, and snow everywhere. This collection is from my past travels and memory moments. Flying inside Norway feels calm, peaceful, and full of nature wonder. Wideroe is one of the oldest regional airlines in Norway, founded in 1934, with deep aviation routes. They fly to some of the most remote and stunning places in the country. Let's enjoy this winter flight together with ShutterbuginNorway. Widerøe pilots are highly trained and experienced in flying tough weather conditions. Winter storms, snow, wind, and challenging winter approaches are part of their daily skill. I have flown with them so many times and almost never faced a cancellation. Most flights are always on time. In the beginning, I was a little scared seeing the small planes, but then I learned these aircraft are extremely safe and perfect for Norwegian terrain. The smaller size lets them handle short runways and mountain airports better than big jets. Trust me, these pilots are experts. Once you get used to the sound, you feel very safe. The only issue is the engine noise, so I always carry my Bose noise-canceling headphones. Problem solved. Widerøe flights give some of the most stunning views in the world. Flying low over fjords, snow-covered peaks, and tiny coastal towns feels unforgettable. Norway is a dream from the sky, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this scenic flight. Thank you for flying with Shutterbugin. Stay connected and keep exploring the skies with me.